Hi everyone and welcome back to today's Morning Report with me, Richard Perry, Market Analyst at Hantech Markets for Monday the 24th of March. The final chart in this series is gold, and you'd certainly say that any of the bulls that had been hoping that Friday's support and possible recovery was the start of something better, following on from last week's sharp correction. Probably a bit disappointed today at the moment. You've seen that Thursday's low at 30.20.24 acted as the support on the uptrend, and held that uptrend quite nicely. But today we've seen a bit of a disappointing initial breach of that uptrend. But the support at 13.20.24 remains intact so far, as the spike low in the early hours of European trading didn't quite breach that level, and it remains intact. The pressure is on to the downside, certainly you would say, and this uptrend is being severely tested. The momentum indicators are all still in correction mode, so that is a concern for the bulls. That's not a long-term or medium to long-term concern, because I still think that the outlook on a medium-term basis is positive, but certainly this uptrend that we've been in since the end of December is under rather a lot of pressure as we speak. On an intraday basis, we'll see this support coming in around 13.20. That was had been such an important level, that is still being held. If I zoom in here closer, we'll see that this small base pattern we saw completed on Friday has been undone. But there is the prospect, if this support around 13.20 can hold, that there's a bigger base pattern at work here. But at the moment, certainly you'd say that the moving averages are all in decline, and this is Asian trading hours. There's been a disappointing decline lower in the gold price, so that 13.20 or 13.19.61, if you're going to be exact, is going to now be a key support for the outlook in the near term of this chart. If that breaks down, you're probably back below there and moving towards 1300 again. But certainly, if that support can hold, which it is actually in the initial stages, actually having been tested once in European trading. If that support can hold, then we can begin to start thinking about a possible base pattern. But certainly at the moment, the pressure is on the downside, and it's being tested. Let's just say. I think that ultimately, I'm not convinced about this base pattern, because I think that the reaction suggests that it is under pressure, and it's got a lot of work to do to move above that 1342 spot 43 high and complete the base pattern. So certainly with all these intraday hourly moving averages turning lower once more, I think that suggests the pressure is still to the downside, and that the support will come under test increasingly. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on gold today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.